In the world of high-performance cars, few names carry as much power, precision, and prestige as BMW. But among its lineup of performance icons, one machine stands out. The BMW M8 Competition Gran Coupe, a car so bold, so refined, that it doesn't just compete with supercars, it hunts them. You're watching Motor Axis, where we explore the most thrilling machines ever built. And today, we're diving deep into the 617 horsepower beast that blends luxury and insanity in perfect harmony. Beneath its sculpted hood lives a monster, a 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, handcrafted by BMW's M division. It produces a breathtaking 617 horsepower and 750 newton-meters of torque. Launching this four-door coupe from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.2 seconds. That's supercar speed wrapped in executive luxury. Each press of the throttle delivers an explosion of force. The exhaust doesn't just make noise, it sings a symphony of aggression and control. The sound resonates with the kind of power that reminds you, this isn't just a BMW, it's an M. But the M8 Competition Gran Coupe isn't just about brute force, it's about balance. With BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, power is intelligently distributed to all four wheels for maximum grip and control. And with a tap of a button, you can unleash pure rear-wheel drive, turning this luxury coupe into a drift-ready powerhouse. Step inside, and the world changes. The cabin feels like a cockpit designed for speed and comfort. Wrapped in fine merino leather, carbon fiber accents, and signature M stitching, it's both elegant and aggressive. The seats are sculpted to perfection, designed to hold you tight through corners, yet soft enough for long-distance cruising. In front of the driver sits a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, paired with a 10.25-inch infotainment system, powered by BMW's iDrive 7. Everything feels intuitive, futuristic, and refined. The head-up display projects speed and gear changes directly onto the windshield. Because in a car this fast, every millisecond matters. Press the red start button, and the beast awakens. The engine rumbles like thunder waiting to strike. On the open road, it glides effortlessly in comfort mode. Smooth, composed, and luxurious. But switch to Sport Plus, and it transforms. The suspension stiffens, throttle response sharpens, and the exhaust note deepens into a growl that sends chills down your spine. The steering is precise, communicating every inch of the road beneath you. It's the kind of feedback that reminds you why BMW still builds cars for drivers, push the car through corners, and the adaptive suspension keeps it planted, confident and unshakable. BMW didn't stop at power and handling. They equipped the M8 with carbon ceramic brakes that deliver incredible stopping force, lap after lap without fade. These brakes aren't just strong, they're built for endurance and precision, just like the rest of the car. From the outside, the M8 Competition Gran Coupe commands attention. The aggressive kidney grills, laser headlights, flared arches, and flowing roofline all come together to form a silhouette that's both elegant and menacing. The rear design with quad exhausts and a subtle carbon spoiler completes the picture, a perfect balance of style and strength. This is a car that doesn't need to shout to prove its worth. It moves with confidence, speaks with authority, and leaves a trail of awe wherever it goes. For those who understand cars beyond numbers, who crave a connection between man and machine, the BMW M8 Competition Gran Coupe delivers something truly rare: emotional performance. Here at Motor Axis, we believe cars like this represent more than engineering. They represent passion, precision, and the pursuit of perfection. Because in the end, the M8 Competition Gran Coupe isn't just another fast car. It's a statement that luxury and power can coexist, that elegance can roar, and that BMW still knows how to build a true driver's dream. This is the 617 horsepower BMW M8 Competition Gran Coupe, the supercar slayer, the grand tour with attitude, and one of the most thrilling machines ever built.